The vice chair of Norfolk's electoral board will not be removed from the board.
A circuit court judge ruled in favor of Marianne McKay, who is the Republican appointee to the board. Other members petitioned for her removal, accusing her of not doing her job according to the law and being too political.
The best way I can describe how things are in Norfolk is toxic.
This was the emotional hearing before the State Board of Elections earlier this year. Norfolk's registrar, Stephanie Isles, even writing to the board that she feels future elections are in jeopardy if Norfolk's electoral board vice chair, Marianne McKay, is not removed. Board chair, Atoy Carrington, begging the state board for help.
We need help. We need help from y'all.
McKay was accused of failing to discharge her duties lawfully by seeking to remove her certification of the 2024 general election results and engaging in political activities while performing official duties by working with the Election Integrity Committee, using her own training to train poll workers. The Republican-leaning state board voted 4-1 to send this case forward to Norfolk's Commonwealth's attorney, who approved the petition for trial.
But it was what we viewed as efforts to impede the regular process of both conducting elections, training election workers.
But in the judge's order, he writes, the Norfolk Electoral Board finds McKay meddlesome and obnoxious. He does not see clear and convincing evidence that McKay failed to discharge the duties of her office in accordance with law or engaged in political activities when performing official duties.
We respectfully disagree with his ruling. If we had agreed with his ruling, we wouldn't have taken the case to trial in the first place.
Now, we heard from McKay late this afternoon. She says, in part, this is vindication. She says this entire episode was deeply embarrassing and a colossal waste of state, city, and judicial resources. In a statement, Norfolk's registrar, Stephanie Isles, wrote, Norfolk voters should remain confident that we will continue to protect the integrity of the electoral process in administering free and fair elections.